Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone, or good evening, everyone. Right now, right in front of our mosque, or I can say the icon of our mosque, our Asan Mosque. There are a lot of people come here in. I can see every day to pray, but they come here as well to, yeah, just like us right now, to spend our Sunday or our weekend here. And right now I'm with my lovely wife. Honey, you want to talk, honey? No? Alright, but my wife doesn't want to talk, but I will describe this mosque. I think you guys haven't known this mosque, or if you Google this mosque, I think you can find out. And so sorry because there are a lot of people here. The voice I think sounds not so clear. Yeah, but this mosque is Ahmad Bakrie Mosque. I think everyone is now who the guy is, right? Ahmad Bakrie. Wow. there are a lot of people here. And yeah, because it's Sunday and it's a total before. This is our icon, becomes our destination. I think becomes our destination. So yeah, there are a lot of people here. Look at the view. Wow, the view is so great, right? So many trees here. Even the dead fruit trees, but we haven't got, or we haven't found the fruit yet. Maybe later, right? Yeah, focus on the mosque. I think there are a lot of people come here to perform salah, and also for spending their holiday or their weekend, right? Well, I think just everyone, and if you want to know our town name, the name is Kisaran town, and this mosque is Ahmad Bakrie Mosque, so you can Google it. You can find out our mosque, right? Maybe when you visit our town, you can pray here. Well, that's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.